I received from PanCube their wallet and accessory for it. And what's so special about this wallet, because I wouldn't show you a normal wallet. This is a Fidget wallet, so it should feel really nice to use it. I will test it if it is really that nice to use as they say. And you can also buy accessories for this wallet to have more functions, more places, more options how to use this wallet. And you can see it comes in this nice metal box and the accessory is in this carton. So let's unbox it and see what I've received. You can select many colors, many models, many materials, how your wallet will look like. You will see which one I've choose, but you can also select any other model. They have big choice. Let's start with the wallet. User guidelines. Money clip installation, because we can install additional clip for holding money, but we don't have to install it. So you have option. It has reusable nano gel, and this wallet can hold up to 6 flat cards or 5 M-based cards. You can put accessory to hold even more cards, and it has air fit blocking. So if you have cards inside, you cannot use them by touch. You have to take them out, which is protection if someone will try to scan your cards. They cannot do it unless you take them out. And here is the wallet. This is the version that I've selected. And here is the clip for money. And the Fidget part about this wallet is that to take out the cards, we do this movement and the cards will pop out. And we will test it with cards in a while. But you can hear what sound it makes. And that's the Fidget part about this wallet. Other models may sound different because this model has a mechanism with balls, but I've seen that there is also a model that has magnets, so it can make different sound probably. And let's see this money clip, reusable. And now we have a clip where we can put money, because this is a card holder, but if you need cash, you can also place cash right here in this clip. And before testing the wallet with cards, let's unbox this accessory. Here we have additional place for the card. This one is not airfit protected, so if you need a card that you need to use the airfit or NFC function and you don't want to take it out, you can put it on this front and it will be available. And I can open it. And here is more place for coins, cash, business cards. You can put anything that you want to right here. So we have this more place. One, this bucket, and second thing, this openable place. And here is also the sticker. We can unstick it and stick it at the back of the wallet, and it is also magnetic. You can see it is holding, and I have some cards to test it. So let's see how many will fit. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. This is what they recommend. Could I fit the 7th card? I fit the 7th card, but I don't know if the wallet will work now. 8th one won't fit. It would be really hard to put it. But let's try to open it with 7 cards, so more than they recommend. It is hard. So let's take 1 card out. Now here are 6 cards as recommended. With 7 cards it's not working well, it's hard to open. Let's try 6 cards. 6 cards also don't work quite well. Let's see. 5 cards much better. Let's one more time try 7 cards, but I don't think 7 will work. 7 is too much. But if I put 6 cards, 6 cards are working. So when I first put 7 cards, they were squished too much when I take out the 6 cards and put them back, now 6 cards are working without any problem. Okay, 6 cards are sometimes working and sometimes they don't fully go out. So 5 cards is a safer option. 6 works sometimes, 7 doesn't work. So as they say, 5-6 cards is the capacity of this wallet. And in this addition, you can put card right here in the front. So it is available all the time. And when I open it, inside also cards fits. 2 cards. 3 cards doesn't fully close, but it works with 3 cards. 2 cards inside is a safer option. So with this addition you can have 3 additional cards connected to your wallet. So definitely it is a satisfying wallet. You can, the sound that it makes, and easy access for the cards, because you can see them and take the one that you need and put it back. We have a clip for cash, because sometimes you need not only the cards but some cash is sometimes useful, so you can put it right here. We have this accessory that has this place at the top for easy access to card, because this is a metal wallet, so it blocks RFID and NFC. But if you need a card that you often use, you can put it right here and use it without taking it out. We have this place for holding coins, cards, or anything that you can fit inside, and you can stick it to the wallet and have it as a one thing. And there are more accessories available that you can check on PanCube's website, and you can see all other models that are available right there. Definitely nice cards holder and wallet if you connect accessory to it. Really satisfying to use, and it makes really nice sound. So for more information, check the link in the description. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.